Today, we are excited to bring you some autonomous mobile homes. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Kia PV5 WKNDR. The Kia PV5 WKNDR is a versatile electric camper van designed for adventure enthusiasts. Part of Kia's PBV lineup, it features a modular interior, off-road capabilities, and solar-powered energy solutions for off-grid travel. Its unique gearhead storage maximizes space, while a lift kit and rugged tires ensure all-terrain performance. Expected to launch in 2025, the PV5 WKNDR redefines eco-friendly van life with innovation and sustainability. Movable Roots Custom Tiny Wave Home. The Movable Roots Custom Tiny Wave Home is a 36-foot luxury tiny house on wheels, designed for coastal living. Featuring a custom wave-patterned metal exterior, large windows, and skylights, it offers a bright, airy feel. Inside, it includes a queen bed with storage, a spacious closet, a stylish bathroom, and custom kayak storage. Built for comfort and mobility, it's a perfect blend of functionality and coastal-inspired design. Skydancer. The Skydancer is an innovative motorhome that combines the freedom of open-air driving with the comfort of a luxury RV. Its unique design features a high-level driving compartment with a retractable roof, offering panoramic views and an unparalleled travel experience. Built on a Fiat Ducato chassis, the Skydancer includes a spacious living area, multiple sleeping arrangements, and modern amenities. While currently powered by a 2.3-liter turbo diesel engine, plans for an electric version are underway. Crawler OTAG 385 Luxury Edition. The Crawler OTAG 385 Luxury Edition is a premium overland expedition vehicle designed for off-road enthusiasts seeking comfort and durability. Built on a robust truck chassis with a 3,250 mm length, it features a luxury wooden interior, providing a homely ambience amidst rugged terrains. Equipped with modern amenities such as USB inputs, LED lighting, a 24-inch smart TV, and a solar panel, it ensures a self-sufficient and comfortable camping experience. The vehicle also offers a hydraulic rear transport lift for carrying additional equipment like ATVs or UTVs. Pricing starts at €122,400, with customization options available to suit individual preferences. ArcUp. ArcUp creates luxurious, sustainable floating homes, known as livable yachts, blending modern design with off-grid technology. The ArcUp 75 features hydraulic legs for stability, solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and electric propulsion. The ArcUp 50 offers customizable interiors with panoramic views. These eco-friendly yachts provide mobility, resilience against rising sea levels, and a unique way to experience waterfront living with comfort and sustainability. Living Vehicle. Living Vehicle offers luxury travel trailers designed for off-grid living, combining sustainability with high-end amenities. The 2024 models feature solar power systems, water generation capabilities, and fully electric appliances, enabling extended off-grid experiences. Interiors include convertible lounges, modern kitchens, and folding patio decks, providing a comfortable and versatile living space. These trailers cater to modern adventurers seeking independence without compromising luxury. Caraboat. The Caraboat is an innovative amphibious camper that combines the best of both land and water travel. With a shallow draft of just 200 millimeters, it allows easy access to shallow waters and beaches. Its spacious interior features panoramic windows for 360-degree views and modern amenities for comfortable living. Available in various models, the Caraboat offers flexibility for adventurers seeking seamless transitions between land and water exploration. Giusto Gervasuti. Giusto Gervasuti, 1909 to 1946, was a renowned Italian mountaineer known for his pioneering climbs in the Western Alps. He achieved the first winter solo ascent of the Hornley Ridge of the Matterhorn in 1936. Tragically, he died in a mountaineering accident on Mont Blanc du Tacle in 1946. In his honor, the Gervasuti Bivouac, a modern shelter in the Mont Blanc Massif, and the Gervasuti Couloir ice climb were named after him. Balachon Flamenco. The Balachon Flamenco is a distinctive tiny house inspired by traditional caravans, blending contemporary design with classic charm. Its semicircular red aluminum roof extends over the structure, creating a spacious overhang at both ends. The exterior features natural red cedar and whitewashed red cedar finishes. Inside, the home includes a main floor bed, a loft for storage, a kitchen with modern appliances, and a bathroom with a shower and composting toilet. This design offers a compact yet comfortable living space suitable for modern nomadic lifestyles. Movico Giant XL. The Movico Giant XL is a state-of-the-art mobile event structure designed to elevate hospitality and brand experiences. Transported as a single 45-foot container, it transforms into a 3-story pavilion within 3 hours, offering 180 square meters of space and a viewing deck accommodating up to 55 people. Equipped with climate control and LED lighting, the Giant XL sets a new standard in luxury mobile venues. Thank you for watching this gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.